Good morning, students. This is your OC teacher, Mrs. Beena Raikar. We have already started with OC lectures. I have started with the first chapter, Principles of Management. Last video, I had explained nature of principles of management. This video, I am going to explain significance of principles of management. Significance of principles of management means importance of the principles of management. So the importance are: first point, provides useful insight to managers. Second, helpful and efficient utilization of resources. Third, scientific decision. Fourth, understanding social responsibilities. Fifth, encourages research and development. Sixth, helps in coordinate and control. Seventh, develops objective approach. These are the 7 importance of management of principles. Now let me explain to you the first point. And the first point is provides useful insight to managers. The principle of managers help the managers to understand the organization. The study of the principle helps to improve the understanding of the situations and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the solution to the problems and handle the situations. Management principles are an outcome of the experience of various professional people. The use of these principles is helping management about the manner in which he should act in different situations. This type of timely guidance reduces of wastage of resources and goals can be achieved in appropriate manner. Now let's go to the second point. The second point is helpful in efficient resources of utilization of resources. Resources are of two types. First, physical resources, that is material, machine, money, etc. Second is human resource, that means manpower. The basic function of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources, while maintaining discipline and healthy working environment. Management always uses techniques and principles, and so it helps in establishing cordial relationship between management and employees, which increases the efficiency level of the employees. And for example, use of standard tools and machinery helps in increasing quality and productivity, as well as in increasing level of efficiency of human resources. Let's go to the next point. The next point is scientific decision. In business organization, a scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Principles train the managers to handle critical situations tactfully. Otherwise, the managers have to work always with trial and error method. With the use of various management principles, one can get an idea about how to analyze the situations, search for the alternative options, and then get appropriate results that they desire. The next point is understanding social responsibilities. Social responsibilities means we say it is a corporate social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of the organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibilities of organizations, so they can focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices, fair competition, fair remuneration, change in environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machinery, etc. Management should understand their social responsibilities towards the society. in respect of earning profit also. The next point is encourages research and development. Principles of management are dynamic. Their nature goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. Over the years, they have developed to suit the current need. It enables the manager to bring consistent improvement in them. Management adopts new trends at working place automatically. These guidelines help management to make comparison of used principles with its expected outcome. If needed, management can modify the principles according to situations as the management is having liberty to take the decisions at their own hands. This training helps in developing scientific approach towards research and development and growth and development of organization. For example, research and development always works on finding new techniques in the field of production, finance, marketing, human resource, etc. The next sixth one is helps to coordinate and control. Management principles are guidelines for better coordination and control. It is very challenging to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. As you can see, there are so many departments and it's really challenging for a manager to take all the employees together and function. It is also a difficult task for manager to keep control on the performance of employees. Management principles offer suitable systems while establishing coordination and control. The next and the last point is it develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objective approach. Managers can identify the business opportunities, root cause of problems in correct manner and can provide appropriate solution. It builds confidence in the minds of the managers. So you see students, I have explained all the 7 points. Let's have a revision. Let's have a look at all the 7 points. The first is provide useful insight to managers. Second, helpful in efficient utilization of resources. Third, scientific decision. Fourth, understanding social responsibilities. Fifth, encourages research and development. Sixth, helps to coordinate and control. Seventh, develops objective approach. This is why management principles are important for any manager in any organization. Thank you.